Want to capture professional portrait photos? I'll show you the gear, settings, techniques, editing, and brightness. First, set your camera to aperture priority, a DSLR camera, and a softbox for lighting. A pro tip, use natural reflectors. Opućne więc atak this bladkańcze have slimy or populacents can go. Experiment with lighting angles. And finally, always review your shots on the back of the camera and take notes for the edit. For portrait photography, use a DSLR or mirrorless camera. A 50mm lens is perfect for beginners, while an 85mm lens creates a more professional background blur. In a tripod portrait photography, use a DSLR or mirrorless camera. A 50mm lens is perfect for beginners, while an 85mm lens creates a more professional triground reflector can improve stability and lighting. Use aperture priority or manual mode. Set the aperture between f2.8 200 Tark 8 for a beautiful green urges. Enable eye autofocus and shoot in RAW format for better editing. Keep ISO as low as possible for cleaner images. Use a shutter speed of at least 200 seconds to avoid motion blur. Enable eye autofocus and shoot in RAW format for better editing. Choose soft natural light, especially during golden hour. Keep the background simple and avoid distractions. Focus on the subject's eyes because sharp eyes make portraits natural poses instead of stiff ones. Try shooting from different angles. Experiment with shooting from different angles to add variety and depth to your portraits. Notice how the golden hour light beautifully highlights her features and creates a warm glow for portraits that truly stand out. Start by adjusting exposure and white balance. Increase contrast slightly, reduce highlights if needed, and lift shadows for balancing. Add a little vibrance, start the subject from the background. Keep skin tones natural and avoid over-editing. Once the image is sharpened and masked properly, export the final version. This keeps the skin tones natural, the eyes crisp, and the overall lighting balanced without any over-editing. Finally, export your edited image. The result shows beautifully balanced lighting, natural skin tones, sharpened eyes, and a clean separation between subject and background. Remember to avoid over-editing to keep the portrait looking authentic and professional. Always shoot in RAW, clean your lens before every session, focus on the eyes, use golden hour lighting whenever possible, and practice different poses and compositions. Great portraits come from consistent practice, not expensive gear here. Practice different poses and compositions to find what works best for your subject and the story you want to tell. Follow for more photography and camera tips. See you in the next video.